What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Dogecoin, but before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so Dogecoin on the daily candlesticks here. Now, I did take a few days off, about a week, because of my voice. It's mainly back now, but that's kind of why I didn't post. I was working on another project that didn't require me to use my voice, so I decided to do that for the last week. But I'm mainly back, so I'm going to start recording to the best of my ability, kind of as my voice permits. So thank you for everybody that sent prayers my way and blessed me and prayed for me while I was waiting for my voice to recover. It's mainly back, so let's get started here on Dogecoin. So as you can see, Dogecoin, I did map out the entire Elliott wave sequence that we are seeing here for Dogecoin. Dogecoin saw a very parabolic breakout up through the resistance of wave 1. And we've seen a lot of momentum coming into this coin recently. So I decided to do another update on Dogecoin for you guys today, so you guys can get a general idea of what I expect this coin to do. So basically, we do see we have 5 waves up here, an ABC correction. So that's wave 1 and wave 2. Then we get our wave 3 here forming on Dogecoin. Now, the minimum target for wave 3 often lands between the 1618 and the 2618. But we do see a lot of momentum with Dogecoin right now, so I believe the top of wave 3 could be closer to the 2618 and maybe even a little bit above. So that could look like this. We could see Dogecoin break out through to the top of wave 3 here and start to head up towards 56 cents, around in that area between 52 and 56 cents per Dogecoin throughout the rest of this year. And that would map out perfectly with our wave 3 here, because we already have wave 1 and wave 2 in the bigger picture. So I really like this setup here with Dogecoin. I do think we will push higher here in the near future. Then I believe it's possible for us to pull back for wave 4. But for now, I do see more upside coming in the short term, or at least on the daily candlesticks here for Dogecoin. So now let's go ahead and remove all the drawing tools and just take a look at Dogecoin here on the bigger picture, because I have been talking about this continuously on my YouTube channel for a long time. But if you haven't seen it, it's important that you do see it, because it really helps you understand what's going on with Dogecoin today and why it's almost exactly like buying Bitcoin back in 2015, when Bitcoin was very early on, before Bitcoin really did all the price action that we've seen Bitcoin do. We're seeing the same exact fractal of human emotion on Dogecoin today. So if you look over here with Dogecoin on the left and Bitcoin over here on the right, you can see the exact same market structure on both of these coins. So Bitcoin over here, Dogecoin over here. You can see that they both did this parabolic run up here, and then they have this big correction, which makes an ABC correction. You can see a perfect ABC correction here. Then they went sideways. Both of them went sideways. You can see the similarities between these two charts is absolutely insane. Just crazy. Like, look at that. They are so similar. Then you can see Dogecoin started to break out here. It's going parabolic. I think it could go a little bit higher here before it sees this type of a correction, or even one of these. As you can see, Bitcoin did have some more corrections along the way up. I see momentum on Dogecoin being very bullish right now. So when you're comparing these fractals, understand that not every single point in the fractals is going to be exactly the same, but they are going to be similar in a lot of aspects. So I personally think Dogecoin will shoot up higher here before it pulls back, but eventually we will get some type of a correction, just like what happened here, and like what happened right here as well. And we've already seen that first kind of correction that happened on Bitcoin right here. We can see that already happened over the summer on Dogecoin. That was the summer correction that we kind of talked about earlier on this year. So yeah, that's looking super good here with Dogecoin. I think we'll shoot up a little higher. There will be corrections along the way up, but overall, you're going to see price move in a similar way, I believe, as what happened to Bitcoin back in 2016 after it started breaking out of that bear market that happened in 2014 and 2015 back in the day on Bitcoin. So the charts are basically the same. The setup is very similar. And I believe that both of these coins look so similar because the fractal, the human emotion, is playing out in that same way. And I believe we'll have a very similar thing happen here with Dogecoin as what happened to Bitcoin already historically. All right, cool. So now let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin too, because I do want to touch up on Bitcoin just a little bit in today's video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the Dogecoin analysis. I believe there's a lot more coming for Dogecoin. Now, if you look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is also breaking out. Bitcoin looks really good. You can see it pushing up through resistance. We're at a new all-time high currently. We could easily break up towards 100K per Bitcoin any day now. Totally not out of the question. The momentum is definitely on the upside for Bitcoin. You can also see this ascending triangle pattern right here. And we just broke bullish out of that ascending triangle pattern. So that shows more bullish continuation potentially coming for Bitcoin as a result of that ascending triangle pattern. So yeah, watch for us to head up towards 100K per Bitcoin. Things are looking really good here with Bitcoin. I do suspect we will push up a bit higher here before we see any type of a correction like this or like this we've seen along the way up. There's just a lot of FOMO, a lot of momentum, a lot of excitement, and that will push price quite a bit higher here, I believe, in the near future for Bitcoin. Of course, it's going to have corrections in this bull market, but right now the momentum is looking very bullish, so I'm not watching for a big correction as of now. However, a lot of people are wondering, Bitcoin's at 93K. Is this the top of the cycle? Is this it for Bitcoin? I think those people are definitely getting a little bit too quick on trying to call the top of this bull market. We just broke out of a huge, major all-time high resistance in this area right here. And we did it with a lot of strength and volume. If you look at the volume on Bitcoin, not only on Coinbase, but if you actually go to the total crypto market cap instead of on Coinbase here with Bitcoin, you're going to see the biggest volume spike ever in crypto history. If you go up to the 1-month candlesticks, you can see we've had more volume here recently at this breakout than we've ever had in crypto history. So to try to call a top here is ridiculous. If you break out of a major resistance level and you're having massive volume spikes at that breakout, that basically means that the market is showing it has a lot more upside left. There's a lot of upward price action coming in crypto. And for people that are thinking that this is overvalued, they don't understand the trend and they don't understand the cycles. And they're getting a little bit too quick on trying to just say, oh, because it's going up, it has to crash big now. That's not exactly how markets work. There's more to it than that. So I do believe the total crypto market cap is about to go a lot higher, and Bitcoin as well, and that this is nowhere near where crypto tops out. I believe we have a lot more left in this bull market for crypto. And if you sell now, I think you're making a big mistake. I believe there's going to be a lot more upside left, a lot of just prices people are not even expecting right now, honestly. And because of that, the name of the game really is to be going long and getting more crypto. That's what I believe is the smartest thing to be doing right now. I mean, look at XRP. It broke out of a multi-year consolidation here. This is super bullish for XRP in the big picture. And we have Ethereum double bottoming and breaking out. We have Solana breaking to new highs. Like, the whole market is clearly bullish for a lot more upside left to come. So definitely don't be fearful here early on. Be fearful later when everybody's crazy excited about this and this stuff is just to levels you can't even dream of. Then you should be taking profits. Right now, people should be getting more crypto. I really believe that. So we've got a lot left in this cycle. Super exciting things to come. I'm very excited about crypto in general. We're just getting started. Definitely excited to see you guys in future videos. Hopefully my voice finishes healing up here soon. It's still a little bit out, as you can tell, but I'm sure it will be back soon completely. And yeah, thank you guys for all the prayers and stuff that you sent my way. I love you guys. That's my update on Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.